Bitcoin. A word that once sounded like science fiction now echoes across the globe. Once a mysterious code released by the unknown Satoshi Nakamoto, it quietly entered the world, hidden in the corners of the internet. It started as a niche project for computer scientists and cypherpunks, visionaries who dreamed of a new kind of money, free from traditional constraints. But it was more than just technology, it was a revolution. Suddenly, money could move without borders, banks, or governments. It was a radical idea that challenged the very foundation of finance. Today, in 2025, Bitcoin is a global phenomenon. No longer a secret, it's a force reshaping how we think about and use money from Wall Street to remote villages. Its wild price swings have created fortunes overnight and sparked fierce debates among experts, skeptics, and everyday people alike. People everywhere are investing, transacting, or simply trying to understand the hype. From students to retirees, curiosity about Bitcoin is everywhere. Bitcoin challenges us to rethink what money is in a digital world, forcing us to question old assumptions and imagine new possibilities. It's a currency native to the internet, enabling value to move globally as easily as an email, instantly, securely, and without permission. The core idea: decentralization. No single authority, government, or corporation controls it. Power is distributed among its users. Bitcoin offers financial self-sovereignty, a hedge against inflation, and an alternative to unstable or restrictive financial systems. For many, it's a lifeline in uncertain times. This is the digital gold rush, an open invitation to a new era of money, where anyone anywhere can participate in shaping the future of finance. Bitcoin's decentralized nature is its superpower. It operates independently of any central authority, giving power back to the people. Unlike traditional money, it isn't printed or controlled by any government or central bank. This means it's immune to inflation caused by excessive money printing. Its rules are set by code, not politics, making it transparent and predictable. Developers and users can see and verify the code, ensuring trust and security. The blockchain, a public cryptographically secure ledger, records every transaction, making tampering nearly impossible. This ledger is accessible to anyone, anywhere. Sending money across borders with Bitcoin is as easy as sending a text, bypassing slow, expensive banks. Transactions are completed in minutes, not days. For millions relying on remittances, this means more money in their pockets, faster. They can avoid high fees and long wait times. Bitcoin also empowers the unbanked, billions excluded from traditional finance but connected by smartphones. It offers them a way to participate in the global economy. All you need is a digital wallet to join the global economy. This simple tool can transform lives by providing financial access. No paperwork, no gatekeepers, just access. It's a streamlined process that removes traditional barriers. Bitcoin opens doors for those left out, offering a shot at financial inclusion. It bridges gaps and connects people across the globe. It's a world where money truly knows no borders, a new era of financial freedom and inclusion for everyone. But Bitcoin's path is far from smooth. Its price is famously volatile, great for traders, tough for daily use. Scalability is another challenge. The network processes far fewer transactions per second than credit cards, leading to congestion and high fees. Developers are racing to improve this, but mass adoption demands more speed and lower costs. Regulatory uncertainty looms large, with countries divided between embracing and restricting Bitcoin. Clear, fair rules are needed for mainstream acceptance. And for many, using Bitcoin is still confusing. Private keys, wallets, and irreversible mistakes can be daunting. For Bitcoin to go mainstream, it must become as easy and safe as using a credit card. The hurdles are real, but so is the drive to overcome them. What's next for Bitcoin? As we look ahead, the possibilities are as vast as they are intriguing. Bitcoin has already defied expectations, but its journey is far from complete. The most likely future? Bitcoin as digital gold, a global store of value, not daily spending money. People may turn to it in times of economic uncertainty, much like they do with gold today. Corporations and even governments may hold it as a hedge against inflation and uncertainty. It could become a strategic reserve, a digital asset that sits alongside traditional currencies in treasuries and portfolios. It could also become the backbone for settling large international transactions, trusted for its security and neutrality. Imagine a world where cross-border payments are faster, cheaper, and more transparent thanks to Bitcoin's technology. A more radical vision sees Bitcoin as a true global currency, used for everything from salaries to shopping, if volatility and scalability are solved. Everyday purchases, international remittances, and even microtransactions could all be powered by Bitcoin. Or it may remain a niche asset, valuable for its pioneering role but outpaced by other digital currencies for everyday use. Newer technologies could take the spotlight, but Bitcoin's influence would still be felt. Whatever the outcome, Bitcoin's legacy is secure. It changed how we think about money, value, and trust in the digital age. It's a foundation for new ideas even if it doesn't rule the world. Innovators and thinkers will continue to build on what Bitcoin started. The future is unwritten, shaped by innovation, adoption, and global needs. Each new development could send Bitcoin in a new direction. Bitcoin's story is far from over. Its next chapter will be written by all of us. In 2025, Bitcoin has already transformed the conversation about money. It's proof that decentralized digital currency can work and inspire a wave of financial innovation. The debate continues. Store of value or everyday currency? Maybe Bitcoin's greatest impact is offering choice, forcing traditional finance to evolve. It empowers individuals, challenges central authority, and makes financial power more accessible. The story of money is evolving, and Bitcoin is writing the next chapter. Whether it dominates or simply inspires, the world of money will never be the same. The real question: how will we shape the future of finance?